You've probably seen many YouTube channels where creators don't show their faces, but still get millions of views. Let's explore some niche ideas you can use without showing your face. The first niche is travel and adventure. You can make destination guide videos that showcase popular tourist spots and hidden places with video footage, offering tips on what to see and do. Travel vlogs are an incredibly popular content idea. Document your journey and provide insights into local culture, cuisine, and unique experiences. You can share travel hacks tips on how to save money, pack efficiently, and navigate new places effectively. Highlighting thrilling adventure activities such as hiking, scuba diving, or skydiving with detailed visuals and commentary is a fantastic content idea for engaging and exciting videos. Next up is art and DIY projects. Make step-by-step tutorials to demonstrate how to create various art pieces or DIY projects from start to finish. Show upcycling projects transform old items into new useful products with creative techniques. Create seasonal crafts projects themed around holidays or different seasons to engage viewers year-round. Educational tutorials are another niche option without showing your face. Teach subjects like math, science, history, or language arts with clear, engaging explanations. Provide practical how-to guides on skills such as coding, writing, or using software. Offer test prep tips and practice questions for standardized tests like the SAT, GRE, or TOEFL. Top 10 lists and rankings are always engaging. You can create top 10 ranked movies, TV shows, or music albums in entertaining lists. List top travel destinations, attractions, or restaurants to guide and inspire viewers. It's great content because it provides valuable advice and inspiration for viewers who are planning their next trip or looking for new places to explore. Try to explore the best gadgets, apps, or lifestyle trends to keep your audience informed and entertained. Another niche is tech reviews and unboxing. Content ideas for this niche are to provide in-depth reviews of gadgets and discuss features, performance, and value for your audience. Also shows the unboxing process of new tech products and highlights first impressions. Compare similar products to help viewers decide which one to buy. Cover the latest news and updates in the tech industry. Next, cooking. Cooking recipes are perfect for food lovers. How to make various dishes with clear step-by-step instructions is one of the most popular content, with many audiences engaging or showing how to prepare meals in advance for the week to help viewers stay organized. Create recipes for specific dietary needs like vegan, keto, or gluten-free. Share valuable tips and tricks to enhance cooking skills and techniques. Finally, health. Health is a thriving niche. Share your workout routines tailored or create workouts for different fitness levels and goals. Share nutrition tips on healthy eating, meal planning, and dietary supplements. Offer advice on managing stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues. Guide viewers on establishing daily routines for overall well-being. These are just a few exciting ideas for creating a successful faceless YouTube channel. Choose a niche you're passionate about and start your journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and ideas.